How to activate Wi-Fi calling on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. In first method, you can use phone settings. Go to settings. Tap on a connection. Here you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it. Make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. Now toggle on it. Now tap calling preferences. Here you can choose Wi-Fi prefer or a mobile network prefer. So select the option Wi-Fi prefer always if available Wi-Fi to easily make a phone call using Wi-Fi. And the second method, open the phone app on your Z Fold 6. Tap on the three dots. Tap on the settings. Now scroll. Here you can see Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it. Toggle on it. Tap on the calling preferences and select the Wi-Fi prefer or mobile network prefer you want to set. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to turn off the Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and other Samsung One UI 6.1 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.